Yo, what is going on, everybody? Back with another quick video. I say it's quick, but it ain't gonna be quick. Y'all know me. Yes, sir. So, if this is a little dark, it does have the ND32 still on there from the bike, because it's like super bright outside. So, this is what I would normally use if I'm out and about. But right now I'm headed to the store real quick, pick up something. But I wanted to talk about some stuff coming up with the channel. So I made a pretty impulse purchase, and I went ahead and I bought the DJI Neo drone on a release date from DJI. Now, I didn't really realize, and this is kind of why I don't like DJI, and you know, it's not just DJI, it's actually Insta360 as well. The reason why I kind of don't like them, it seems like lately, whenever they have any kind of release, it seems like it takes forever for it to ship when you're buying directly through their website. So it's like you buy it through DJI or you buy it through Insta360. It seems like they always have this shipping delay where it's like it never really ships as fast as anywhere else. Like if you were to get it like BH Photo or Adorama or maybe even Amazon, it just seems like they have a hard time fulfilling those orders as fast as like Amazon or something. So I looked at Amazon. I saw something pop up that they were taking orders, and then like I was watching a quick video and I decided to go back through Amazon and check it out. And when I did, they had said it was unavailable, and then I checked it again, and then it was available, then it wasn't available anymore, and then it wasn't available at all. So I was just like, what the heck is going on with Amazon? And so it deterred me from trying to order it through there, because I didn't want to end up in a situation where you ordered it, you think you're getting it, and then they give you the sad email that says, sorry, we're gonna refund you for purchasing this or whatnot. So yeah, I didn't get it through Amazon. I went directly through DJI website, and the first time I had to cancel it because the shipping thing was wrong, like my address was wrong. I don't know why it put it in that way. I tried to get them to change it, and like DJI and Insta360, they'll never change it. They had to cancel the order, had to re-put the order in to make sure the address was right, and just a nightmare. But again, I don't know if it's because of the US sanctions or the threatening to ban DJI in this country or whatnot, that all of a sudden this product is going to take like a month for it to actually reach the United States. It's everywhere else in the world. It's worldwide except the United States. So I think that's probably DJI's way of sticking it to the US government, like, hey, you know, you're one of our biggest contributors to supporters who buy our products, but we're gonna make you wait for pissing us off with the ban stuff. So I think that's honestly what's going on. I don't really see any other reason why it would not be here. But what is really, really annoying that I've seen, besides the long shipping time, long shipping wait, it's twofold in a way. It's kind of like a double-edged sword. So what's really bothering me so far is that I know it's only been like a couple of days since the thing has been out. What the heck? Oh, the front preview went out. So I know it's it's been a couple of days, but one thing that's really been bothering me is that I watched the DJI, you know, the little advertisement, the releasement advertisement and whatnot, and just like GoPro or Insta360, they do show a lot of different types of looks that you can get with the drone and whatnot. And one thing that always sticks out to me when you talk about like action cameras is like when GoPro and DJI or Insta360 specifically puts out things like in their demo reels, you will almost always see somebody immediately posting up replicas or them redoing those types of shots to show you that you can really get those types of shots, certain types of shots with the said product, and they're not just advertising something that you can't really do. And I just noticed that a lot of the action stuff concerning the drone that I saw on the advertisement with DJI, I have not really seen those actions recreated with people who have the drone worldwide, minus America, and minus the American influencers who was able to get the drone for whatever the purposes of making content. But I say that to say, for example, I've seen like biking stuff, right? Let's talk about cycling. I saw stuff with cycling on the drone, on the advertisement. And they tried to show off like a lot of like, I would call it like high speed or lots of movement, high movement shots. So for example, a runner, somebody running through an obstacle or whatnot at a fast rate of speed, and the drone is like tracking them or whatnot. Now the advertisement is not going to tell you if somebody is flying in FPV mode or if they're following in the follow mode, automatic mode. So I saw something like that, right? Oh, that's really dope. I saw something else where somebody's biking, they're cycling. Now, this is not a normal person biking. This is not like, your kid or you jump off, just jump on a bike and just start cycling. They showed a cyclist, somebody who looks like they probably professionally or a hobbyist who wears all the gear and they're cycling. They're a road cyclist. They showed that, and it showed what seemed to be that they were moving at a high rate of speed and being tracked. Things of that nature. I mainly am getting the drone, obviously the channel. I'm mainly getting the drone to help supplement for extra cool shots when it comes to motovlogging, right? I don't necessarily intend to use this drone to follow me while I'm driving or riding the bike, but it would be cool to get some really cool doctored shots that are like pre-planned or whatnot. But definitely don't plan on riding around the public street with this drone on my motorcycle and things like that. But what I would like to see is that the things that were advertised, I would like to actually see it. So now all I'm really seeing now is people on bikes like you and me jumping on a bike and like barely riding the fucking thing. Like, you don't even ride a bike like that normally. So it's like, it's just crazy to see people. It's like they're posting up biking videos or moving videos, and they're not even really like riding the bike as it's intended or things like that. So it bothers me a little bit. And then the couple times that I did see somebody, riding a bike or skateboarding or skating, maybe on something automatic, when they go too fast, the drone was not able to track or stop tracking. But they never really go into detail about, if you go too fast, it won't track. And it's like, well, can people, I want to see the drone in more action shots. That's what I want to see. Whether it's in follow mode or automatic mode or FPV mode, it doesn't really matter. Preferably in follow mode. It would be nice to see the drone in an action sequence. I want to see it tested, like how well can it keep up in automatic mode? How well can you keep up in manual mode? Things of that nature, because I really want to get into FPV and I just don't want to spend a shit ton of money on trying to do that. So yeah, you guys can let me know. That's one of the things that's kind of bothered me with it. But again, I picked it up. We're gonna test it out and see how it is, and I think it's gonna be a really unique look for the channel. And the reason why I say that is because you can get some really unique shots with it. And again, I'm a photographer first, a videographer, and then I like to use tech and cameras and things like that. So we're gonna see how all these products, the Action 4, We're gonna see how the Pocket 3 and the DJI Neo, things like that. I think I'm gonna try to eventually might get some goggles or a controller, but I want to test it out. I have flown drones before, and when I flew a drone before, I went out and I got like a Typhoon 4K when it first came out, and it was extremely hard to fly. So that was a long time ago, and I haven't flown a drone since because it was just really nerve-wracking. Technology wasn't as great then. I should have went with DJI then. I didn't, and paid for it. So yeah, definitely looking forward to it. Cannot wait. Please put out some good freaking videos. Let me know what you guys think, what you want to see. Like I said, I'm excited for this drone. I think it's going to be a unique addition for the channel, and I can't wait. So yeah, hopefully it'll be here in a month, damn it. As far as the Pocket 3, I was going to try, and I was considering selling the Pocket 3 simply because I mainly got it for like the rollers and stuff like that. But since I'm not really using it for rollers and things like that, I am using it for other ways. But I thought I was going to be mainly using it for rollers and things like that, and it hasn't worked out like I thought. So I have considered selling it. It is a really good camera, and I kind of don't, so I'm not necessarily putting it up for sale, but I have thought about it. So if you're interested, let me know. I don't even know when this video is. Probably won't even have the time you see this video. But again, guys, super excited. Lots of cameras coming out. If you're a camera buff or a camera guru or a junkie like myself, tons of cameras coming out. We got info coming out on the new Insta360 Ace Pro 2 that should be coming out. I'm definitely interested in that. The X4 is getting some really nice updates. I don't think, obviously because we just got the X4, we're not going to hear another rumor about the X5 until like next year. But the Ace Pro 2, we will definitely probably hear something about this month. The Osmo Action 5, I did see a leak that said it will definitely be here before December, so I am interested in that. The DJI Action 5 Pro is supposed to have something called like, I forgot what it was called, but somebody mentioned it to me and they said it's supposed to have some type of night mode, which is supposed to be, I'm hoping it's going to be equally as good as Ace Pro and what the updates they've done since it's released. I'm hoping it is as good as that, because then I can confidently put this Action 4 away or use it as a secondary, because I know that I would be able to record with Action 5 Pro during the daylight and at nighttime. So I really want one camera that can do it all. And right now I think the Ace Pro doesn't do it for me, specifically for what I want. What it does have that I want is some better capabilities as far as like nighttime recording, and yeah, so I'm looking forward to that. Anyways, let me know what you guys think. Like I said, cameras are fun, man. They come in a lot of different flavors, and they can make your workflow hell on earth, or they can make it really, really cool. So anyways, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Let me know what you think. Peace.